Hey guys, Abs here. I'm going to be taking you through the changes that we've made to the Bookmark Lovers website and also the submitter. We've also re-enabled the quick post function, as you'll see from over here, and we've also allowed posts from your blog. The very first thing I'm going to show you now is the reports. What you'll actually notice on the website now is you can only get your pending reports, but that's only until your submitter connects to the website. So let me show you an example. At the moment we have no pending reports, we have no pending posts on my account from whatever date, and I'm going to be explaining all of this after I talk you through the submitter, and I'm going to have to show you in action as well to get a full understanding of how this works. You can still download your reports, guys. So we've left this we've got this feature still on our server, so that you can actually download any previous success reports that you may want to keep. So please do download them, guys, if you do need them until after Christmas, because we do want to get these deleted off the server. Again, you can actually combine all the files together, so you go from the first date all the way to the last date, and choose it from the calendar and then combine it, and then that's your whole report in one file. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is take you over to the submitter now. So as you can see, this is the Bookmark Lovers submitter. It's actually got a new icon in there now. So what we need to do, the very first thing that we need to do is actually, if you've got the Bookmark Lover submitter open, we need to close that down first and then reopen it, and you will be prompted to actually update. If you're not prompted to update, or you have any difficulty or any errors when prompted to update or when it's trying to update, then all you need to do is actually delete the application file, which is this one here, and actually go over to the website and download the submitter again, and that will be the current submitter, and start working with that. So I'm going to open this up. There's no difference. Well, there's a slight difference compared to the update that we sent out 2 days ago. If you're not already updated onto that update, sorry, if you're not already on that version, then you won't know about these areas here, which is where you can view results and where you can view your pending posts as well. But before I take you over through these, what I'm going to do is show you, what I'm going to do is actually fill up the pending queue, so we can actually, so we've got some data to work with. So I'll just send in, what am I doing? We need a URL there, don't we? Okay, I'll send over some posts. Okay, what you'll notice as well, guys, it's much faster now as well, which is great. So do go over and test it out and see if the wait has been worth it, which is the 2 days of not being able to use this. Now we've only actually enabled this quick post feature a little while ago, not even a couple of hours ago, or even an hour, and there's already accounts that are really posting into this. So I presume that these are auto blogs or WordPress blogs that have actually got this enabled, or have still got the plugin enabled, and obviously it's allowed in there now. So if we go over to pending reports, guys, and we click on today's date again, what we'll see, even the reports are much quicker as well, what we'll see is that we've got all of these that are pending in here, guys. So these are all pending, which is fantastic. I'm going to also show you it from my blog as well. So let's go over to a few of my blog posts and resend these as well. It should work much faster from your blog post as well, because it's writing in a very different way now. So we shouldn't get any of the issues that we were getting before, such as timed out issues or anything like that, because it's going to get done. Okay, so that was one blog post sent. Let's send another 2 more. Let's send this one here, social media backlinks on autopilot. Oops. Okay. Alright, I don't know why it's gone into a link, but there, the short code here. Update this. We'll update one more after this as well, and we'll just ensure that their pending posts have gone through. We'll actually send a page this time as well, just to show you that you can actually use the shortcode on pages as well. Okay, SEO jargon buster and glossary. Okay, we'll then enter this here and update the page. And I've actually got my best spinner details inside of here as well. So what this is doing is actually communicating with the best spinner first of all, and then it's sending it over to our Bookmark Lovers website as well. So there you go. We've sent over 3 posts. We'll go back over to the pending reports. We'll ensure that them posts have got through. And I can ensure this from here or even from my submitter now. And the way we're going to do that is have a look at the URLs and the titles, because obviously that's going to tell us. So and there should be in spin syntax. Here we go. Owl Pigeon review, Owl Pigeon discount, whatever. Sent from Big SEO Techniques. That was one of them in spin syntax. And here's another one, social media backlinks. And finally we sent the post, which was SEO, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, engine optimization, jargon buster, and glossary. Fantastic. So they've all made it over, which is excellent. So now what I'm going to do is go over to my submitter. Now this is my submitter here, and what right, let me try and explain. Okay, I can click on start, and if I click on start, what this is going to do is going to go over and it's going to download my pending queue and put it over to here, and it's going to start posting to them. One of the features that we had on the website before was we can actually delete our pending queue. Now you don't have that feature on this website. So there's 2 ways that we can actually do this. We can automatically, if you don't need to download any pending queue or anything like that, you can actually click on start and it'll automatically start from any pending queues or any pending posts that you have that need to get through. Alternatively, what you can do is go to settings, which I'm going to do now, and show you how to delete as well. I'm going to go to pending posts, and I'm going to click on update from server, and as you'll see down here it's saying downloading file from the server. Now obviously we've got quite a few posts in here. Depending on how many posts you got, guys, is depending how it can take longer. So if you've got thousands and thousands of posts that this needs to download the very first time, then it's going to take, you know, up to a minute or so. Now on this we've just downloaded 362, which isn't bad. Now things like this here, I don't want none of these posts here. You know, and this was over to google.com. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete these, and this is how you delete your pending queue now. Okay, so I'm going to delete all the ones that I want. Okay, I don't even want these KHH ones in there either, and I don't want them in there either. Now I'll delete it. I don't even want the owl pigeon in there. Oh, right. Let me delete these first. So from 362, I'm going to remove the selected ones. Am I sure that I want to delete them? Yes, I do. And one moment, we need to delete that one as well. I think we need to click on update from server, and then it's gonna, that's what we need to do. Once we click on update from server, it's like refreshing it. So it's refreshed the total count there to 224 now, and we can actually go ahead and we can submit these. Oh look, there's some more down here that are hiding away. So we'll actually delete these ones here as well. We don't want to send none of them. Remove selected, yes we do. We've got 224 update, and it's saying we've got 178. So as you can see, it's not pulling the same ones down again. Oh yeah, one more thing that I should show you as well, guys, is if we go over to pending reports on our server now, till today, what you'll notice, it says that there's no files or there's no pending work on our server. And the reason it's showing that, guys, is because you manage your pending work now from your submitter. So as soon as your submitter connects to the server, it's going to show no pending work on the server. So this is a cleanup that we've made to make sure that the account and the database is maintained on a regular and frequent basis, so we don't encounter these issues that we were having before. So you work with them now from your submitter as soon as you've connected. So now we've got all these here. What I'm going to do is post to a few and show you how we work with the results. So I'll click on start. So what I'll do, I can actually open up Fiddler 2 and show you this in action as well. So I'll click on start, and as you can see, it's picked up on the 178. I'll actually move this over to here, and you can see Fiddler 2 in action as well. Well, you can see the request that the BookmarkLovers submitter server engine is making. Now, I've been testing this all day, guys, so I've made so many posts to these accounts. It's unbelievable. But what I'm going to do now is, so I've made a few posts there. I'm going to click on stop. As you can see, the threads are still open, but it's going to let them get released and close. And as soon as that's been done, so we're just waiting for this one here, hello text now, and there we go. Oh no, we're waiting for a few more threads are still closing, but either way we don't have to wait for them to close. We can go over to settings and we can go to view results, and as you can see, they've already automatically populated. But what we've got here now is we've got successful posts. Okay, we can actually, okay, we can't maximize this unfortunately, but you can actually scroll with the scroll bar down there, and you can get the result URL as well at the end. But we can download them, so there isn't too much work that we need to do unless you want a quick glance at what kind of results you got. If you do want a quick glance at what kind of results you got, you can actually click on these filter options here. So if I click on success and click on filter, obviously you choose your date range, click on filter, then down here it'll only show the success ones. And then if I want to download them success files, I'll click on download filter report, and that will download whatever I filtered it by. So this one would download just the success ones. So I'll click on download filter report, save it over. I'm going to put this on pause and go and open that file up. Okay, so here's the file, and as you can see, this only shows the successful ones. So we've done 15 posts there, and that was in that very short period that I actually had that submitter running, which is quite cool. Now we can also take away the success, click on failed, and click on filter, and you can see we also made a number of failed ones here as well, mainly to Big Sonomy, Stumble Upon, One Hello Text, and Buddy Marks as well, which could be due to numerous reasons. But here they're saying they all failed to bookmark, so it's a good idea to actually have a look at that fiddler report. Well, I'll get that sent over to my dev team. Okay, so you can actually clear these as well. Okay, so I'll remove selected, and yes, I'm removing selected. So I've got no failed ones in. Okay, let me show you the pending ones. Okay, and on pending, if you don't want to go through all these and you think, oh, hang on a sec, I've got 158 in here, which is quite a few, so what I'm going to do is just clear all. Okay, what I'm going to do is we'll run a few more. Okay, as you can see, it says down here we've got 165. I'll close that, and I think that was because we had the threads open still. And what we can do is actually start again. And as you can see, that's gone over to 158. So we did have threads open still, and the threads closed, and they were still able to write to your reports. And oh yeah, one more thing, guys, you can't actually open any reports while it's playing. Now, one of the issues that we had before was that many users, I'm gonna click on stop here, right? Many users actually had the submitter running, and the submitter was trying to write to the databases which we had on our website here. So basically they had the pending reports open or something, and the submitter also working, and it was trying to write to our website, and because it was trying to write to our website and users were also deleting pending posts, it was just causing major issues, and you know, some users were getting many crashes on their submitters. So you shouldn't actually face these issues now, because we've stopped all of this from happening. So other than that, guys, this is how you work with it, and I really hope you do enjoy working with the new tool. Thank you very much, and hope you all have a great Christmas.